Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Welcome to Southern Ladies Recipes. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment at the bottom. Go hit that notification bell. So as soon as I post a video, you can come on over here and check me out. All right. Yes, we're making something very delicious. We're making adult blueberry muffins. Blueberry. I said it, and we're making them. So we have our salt, we have our baking powder, we have sugar, vanilla, butter, we have our blueberry vodka, flour, milk, 2 eggs, and we have frozen and fresh blueberries. So we're going to use a cup of each, okay? So you all can present this to your friends and your family for brunch and breakfast on Saturday. Hey, once you make them, you can eat these as a snack too. Because I definitely am. So come on, y'all. Y'all ready to make this goody goodness? Because I definitely am. Come on. All right now. All right. So we have our 1 stick of butter. And we're going to take 1 cup of sugar. Bam. And we're just gonna mix this together until it's all nice and soft and just like this. But I'll be back. But all you do is just that. You just blend the butter and the sugar together until it's all nice and soft. So your butter should look like this, your butter and sugar mixture. We're gonna take our vanilla and we're just gonna do a capful, okay? I hope everyone had a great day today. Yes, my hands are ashy. They stay ashy because I continue to wash my hands, but it's okay. We know what we're doing. We working. And we're going to just take our 2 eggs. We're just going to pour it on in there. So we're just going to mix this together. So your oven should be set at 375 degrees. That's what we're going to cook our blueberry muffins on. It's vodka time. Remember, no judgment. We are grown and sexy over here. So if you want to add more, hey, have your way. But I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of blueberry vodka into the mix. 1, 2. Oh, that smells good. 3. We're just a little overrich, okay? So we're gonna. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells really, really good. And so I'm gonna mix this up. Yeah, let's just mix this up. So now we are going to do some alternating here. So I have 1/3 cup of milk, and I have 2 cups of flour right here. I have a pinch of salt, and I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder mixed in here. So I have my baking powder, my salt, and my flour mixed in here. And we're just gonna alternate. So you do one, then you do the other. Do one, then you do the other. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, baby. So that's what we're getting ready to do. I'm sorry, guys. I accidentally hit my camera. So you're just gonna do like that. I don't have to really show y'all, but I'm gonna do it anyways and keep the party going just a little bit. So this is all you're gonna do, just like this. Mix one and then mix the other. Now it's time to add the blueberries. So of course, like I said earlier, I have frozen and I have fresh blueberries. So all you're gonna do, you're not gonna mix them in, you're just gonna fold them in slowly. So we're just gonna take a little bit at a time. I'm just gonna take a spatula or spoon, just do like this. I tell you one thing, this blueberry vodka is smelling so delicious right now. Matter of bam. It's smelling really, 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 really good. I cannot wait to eat this. Well, Southern Lady say that all the time. I mean it every time, guys. Every time. All right. So let me get my muffin pan, and we're gonna get a little scoop or something so we can scoop them into the muffin pan. All right, so please have your oven set at 375 again. We're just gonna take our little scooper. We're just gonna scoop the mix into the little muffin cups. And you're just gonna repeat the step for each one. And you're gonna cook them, and they're gonna be plumpy and brown and delicious. I got my milk on deck, okay? My milk is sitting in the freezer, ready to be drank along with this goodness, okay? So you can fill them up halfway or however way you'd like. I'm just gonna fill mine all the way up to the top because I ain't gonna do nothing but fluff up and expand. So we're just gonna do this on each one. Again, have your oven set on 375. That's what you're gonna cook it on until they're nice and beautiful and golden brown. And you're gonna pull them out. And then we can eat these together, okay? Well, yeah, we can. Well, we'll be back. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo-wee. So all together, I had 15 muffins. So my mix that I had, I was able to make 15 muffins. So are you guys ready for tasty time? Because my house is smelling good, and these muffins are calling my name. Southern Lady, come eat me. You ain't got to tell me twice. I'm on the way. Hey guys, it's tasty time. But before I get into tasty time, y'all see my shirt? Yes, sir, Doc. Well, my friend Jerome, he makes these beautiful shirts, and I absolutely love them. And this is actually one of my little sayings I say also. So I'm gonna put his link below to his Instagram and his Facebook page, so you can hit him up and grab one of these beautiful shirts. Back to tasty time. Are y'all ready? I'm definitely ready. Ooh, look at that deliciousness. I left my milk in the freezer. It's okay. I just need to eat this right quick. Y'all ready? It's tasty time. Mm. 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 Make sure it ain't poison. Mm. I gotta go. Y'all know. Mama don't like it when I got food in my mouth. Oh, this is so good. Mm. Okay, I gotta go now. Well, thank you all for coming to my page. Oh, you know what? Let me stop being rude. Thank you for coming to my page, your new favorite channel on YouTube. Yes, sir, Doc. Southern Ladies Recipes. Almost done. Okay. Thank you for coming to my page, your new favorite channel on YouTube, Southern Ladies Recipes. Hey, these adult blueberry muffins, make them, eat them, share. Thank you.